Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
The Tambourine! It's all about the Tambourine family. I'm beer something. I'm beer setting. That's it to the flipping world.
The tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
Get right!
Yeah.
Mixup An Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, yeah. Hey. Up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But I leave for me tambourine mind. The tambourine a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
See it there? Elaine a dead over big bear and you see them catch big bear under guinea tree with Miss Lady there. You understand? Them catch big bear under guinea tree with Miss Lady there. And Elaine a dead over big bear. Bun under nastiness, man. I saw it for go, man. I saw it for go pan them, you know? You understand? Anyway, people big up on yourself, you know. It's a late start today and thing and whatever, you know. Marcia good as big up yourself, you know. Karen Robinu says, I have been waiting for you. I'm here, boo. What's up? What have you been waiting? You ready? Karen Robinu. You ready? We ain't a dolly house thing, you know. Yeah. We get busy, you know. Let me do all kind of something to you. Spiritually blessed, wagwan. Cheryl blessed, big up yourself. Rude girl Mika, wagwan. CBS, what's up, boo? But then, you know, what Ellie said, we still have the politics tonight. Well, no. But hold on. You know, see the police and pepper spray Desmond McKay. Yo, they must have killed one man down at Tivoli. West Kingston. And Desmond Mackenzie are the MP for the area, you know. So you know them something they go in. The Jamaicans don't know what go on. Yeah. You always have some money in the area, them, you know, them do what them a do. But them have people in that area who, you know, move good with them man they, because of them man they defend the area and protect the people them and make enough of them eat food. And a regular thing. So every time certain man gets slapped away, you know, people come out and start, you know, make up nice for them and them want justice and thing. But sometimes, I don't know, the man them not involved in nothing, you know, police slap them way through you, I understand. Because that was one of them things. When police go uptown in a Jamaica, them deal with them people different than when them they are ghetto. Right? You're easier for dead police. You're easier for dead at the hands of police in a ghetto and thing. But anyway, man, know Desmond must say they are hype up. Let me be careful. And by the way, Desmond Mackenzie and I are friends. Full disclaimer, we're friends. All right. And I have friends on the PNP side, people who I rate. I rate the Burks on the PNP side. If Lisa, the PMC, Lisa, I'm a link to and whatever. So I have people on the JLP side who I know good for a long time. I know Angela for a long time and thing. I have disagreements with him, but I know him for a long time and whatever. You understand? Desmond, my Uncle Desi, I'm a link and whatever. So I know why not politics thing with none of honor. All right? So I notice I'm not come chat about politics and night. But anyway, get around and thing. You see when them people don't know, it's when you represent the area. even though you don't want to do certain things, you have to do certain things in a certain area, you know? So if something that them have to see you. We say, what, them kill so and so? And you don't even come down here, come say nothing, you have to do there, I say something. Even when you don't agree with it, you have to do there, I say something. Because you know, you're not there and you stay away and whatever, them not going to give you support. Right? And then we try to get rid of you too. And whatever, you know, this whole game with what them call delegates, right? And I'm not boring with that, but it's a game, right? And if you get emotional about it and you don't understand the game, you know, you're going to end up you just attack and grouse and to no avail. But anyway, so Uncle Daisy must go down there and, you know, I don't know. Something going between him and the police them down there. The police them pepper spray Desmond Mackenzie. May I tell you a thing doing. Millionaire Greenland, me have something to tell you about what watch ya. Millionaire Greenland. You should have there yesterday. Me soon talk to you and tell you what going on yesterday. Crazy sitting and thing. Me have to there stand up and defend you right through. Me soon tell you what going on, Millionaire Greenland. Me I forgot to edit the thing too. Me so busy today. But me I go post it tomorrow. Millionaire Greenland, you need to stay where you're there because I need to tell you what going on yesterday. How people come for you yesterday. And I try to fix it up. I try to fix it up in a Millionaire Greenland. I try to fix it up and try to go around with and whatever. It's a good thing I call to the people about thing because I would get blamed to in a Millionaire Greenland say, and me I cause trouble, you know. It's a good thing. Me make the people them say, una jury and come talk and whatever, and the people them back me. Me and the people them, the majority of them, but anyway, but people, may I share something with them. We're not up on the politics tonight, but may I share something with them. Let me tell you about a reality of Jamaica. And no for police, them probably not going to admit this, but. All right. You see when them pepper spray Desmond Mackenzie, I don't know what happening, you know. I don't know if him go touch somebody or whatever. I don't know what happened. But people, I can't tell you how many times I see this play out. You see, if it was somebody like, I could just stay in a JLP. When I go by in a PNP, stay in a JLP. You see, if it was somebody like Delroy Chuck, white man Delroy Chuck, who is just Jamaican, no care what happened, the police them with the pepper spray. What somebody say it was by accident? An accident? But the video is the woman who video it, you know. She has speaking spooky and whatever. The video gone a lead. But I have the video. I have the video in here, you know. The video gone a lead, people. They need to hear the video. I make I play that one. People, you know, say, I that around the internet. You that things say the people them concerned about Desmond Mackenzie and things. She never throw water upon him there. But you know how I run the place. And the woman, you know. And the woman where said them pepper spray Desmond, aye. Them pepper spray Desmond, aye. No, it's have to run again. People, you that thing say Jamaican people them love the armed house, you know. You that thing say the people them concerned about the esteemed member of parliament getting pepper spray. You know how I run the internet. The woman who people wanna listen again. Well, oh, come on, man. Well on. No, baby, you think I Daisy around the place? I the woman who a video and attack, and she around the place. Nobody don't see her. Oh, what? Oh, new sound. Sandra said new sound. I see her around the place, you know. Hey, Jamaica, hey, let me tell you something, man. And you always make the argument, say anybody bored in this day and age, them one bored, don't? Right? Anybody who bored at Jamaica, who no one bored, you know? Jamaica always a keep, you know, always hungry, you know. All when we in the heights of some suffering and whatever, you know. When you talk about people, when you talk about a set of people who find joy in anything, you know. And we hear that, you know. When you talk about a set of people who find joy and fun, and it's a coping mechanism, right? It's a survival construct, right? It's a convention used, you know, to. It's a mental health thing, in my opinion, right? It's a mental health thing, right? And you're seeing a group level thing of it. But even individuals, you have some people not care what them a go through, not care what kind of stress them a go through. Them always have the capacity to look on the lighter side of life and still laugh and joke and thing. You know, the worst of the worst. You understand? Those people live longer, you know. Studies show they're less likely to pass away from terminal illness. I mean, every human being, we all got to go at some point, right? But I'm just saying, over and over and over, studies show that I walk going up here at the end of the day, that make a difference, you know. You understand? And you find the Jamaicans after something there, yo, I always find fun in everything, you know. So the member of parliament get me and thing. And this is serious. Uncle Desi Osh, right? But while around the place, the focus of Jamaica, them not look like Uncle Desi, you know. Right? If Uncle Desi come on and say, I just want to talk about what happened to me, the people might say, no Desi. What the woman who make a video there? I see we want to see. I see around the place, right, you know. And Jamaicans, you know, where I come from, nobody can cross it. Only I alone can cross it, right? Where I come from, Rosie, we want justice. Where I come from, what the other woman that they name, what she say, listen, the people them are deading. The people them are deading. We want help down here because the people them are deading. Who remember she? Hey, we are sampling, you know. When I remember the brother who did that talk about the youth, them, somebody who did that drown, the fisherman, oh, him go on. We say, yeah, winner rap. Okay, here we go. They pepper spray Desmond eye. They pepper spray Desmond eye. They pepper spray Desmond eye. Yes, Urshipa, you remember him? Yeah, I met that about the one that said, yeah, I'm here for cut Big's 2 bucks, you know. Who remember that video there? Hey, he said drama, man. He said drama, man. You gotta love Jamaica, yo. You gotta love Jamaica. You gotta love Jamaica. Millionaire Greenland, you have to come up in there, but you never there yesterday. Me I tell you, say, that's why, you know, you have to be careful of people in a Millionaire Greenland. I invite you up because I want to tell you myself, Wagwan yesterday. Right. Yeah, yes, man. I'm glad you're there.
So me can't hear you good.
What you say, what? What you say?
My drive go work, lock you off for the car stereo so me can't hear you good.
All right, then, cool. I'm going to tell you what happened here, so listen carefully here.
Yeah.
All right. You need to be careful of people out there who are laugh and chat with you. Millionaire somebody called the show yesterday. All right? The lady said, Raga, you know me a girl, me no drink. Me no in the drinking thing, But Raga, me say, Thursday, yeah, she said Thursday, when my man come up on the live, when me see the man, Raga me no drink, but when me see the man, a certain part of me start jump, down there just a jump, so, Raga, me have to get up my body in a heat. Me have to get up and me run go down, sit in the back in our house. And me have to get one cup and me put ice in it. And Raga, me have to throw some rum cream on it. Raga, you don't know who me attack and which man me attack. Me say, and which man? And she say, and which man me attack? Me say, and which man? And she said, Zion, why name pan it? Zion train. So me I say, So she I say, nah. When me listen to Zion train, me think I want little boy and whatever. And when me see him, he boy sexy and him attractive and all these things and whatever. Raga when me see him, my body tremble all about. I saw she go on, you know.
I'm gonna tell you something. Me and Zion train that if they get to have a conversation, them kidnapping my friend could have even said.
Then when I right away now, me start to say, you know, say you don't sound too right. Like say you go like you want to kick with Greenland foot or whatever. And she said,
I never talk to him.
some say, yeah, here and no, nothing like that, nothing like that, nothing like. I just too busy to them and I get to put up a video, you know, but me I make you see a video and see what going on, you know, because I want you see for yourself. And then them I talk about say, them wanna do that, you know. Them wanna go take him, she just see him and like him. And
me and the man never have a conversation after the show them gone with the man. You not hear me?
Well, me hear you, man, boy. Then that me I say, that me say to her, ask anybody over here that me say to her, me I say, yo, the woman do everywhere name there with the man yet and thing and whatever, and yeah, kick her foot already. No. And that me I say, Elaine, you know? Elaine.
Elaine, come to the front.
Elaine. Then I know say me and her end up in a one piece of argument, right? So she said she would never do it. So in the end now, here I know, Raga, let me tell you something. You see, if one girl living in the community, but me and her a friend, and me and her a friend like that or whatever, but me not know her like, but she living in the community and this and that and whatever, ray. Yeah. Mother F her, man. That's she saying.
Oh my God.
So hear me to her, no. Me say she just said, no. She said if she don't know the woman like that and them no wait name like that, should have F him. So me said to her, no. So you know a millionaire like that? When she realize what go on, you know, here she, you know. No, take she out tight. Mr. No, answer question. You know a millionaire like that because clearly, you know, based on what she say, you know, she would have grind your man because she don't know you like that. You're not a friend like that. One piece of wire me and her have to admit it and thing and whatever. All that threaten me about she gonna kick me in my face because I won't let it go and all them something there and whatever.
Because I swear to man up here that somebody see him and give him a call and take him back. Whoever they put him on the supermarket to come pick him up back. I never hear from him.
You not hear from him after that and the link for make down and whatever. Yes, man. I said them time, man. So I tell her, I say, no, you're low-key. So I ask the class. I say, class. Because she deny. I say, class. Based on how Elaine go on. Only thing say Elaine would have take him man and whatever, no matter what, or Elaine want the man.
She don't rum cream and ice and she not drink. One more evidence than that we would have want.
Greenland, that is the point me keep on and make over. Me say Elaine, a fool you take with her. right? Woman see man all the while and say, you know, say that man they look good or I'm still well or whatever. Woman see that a regular thing that, right? Right? But who see one man and say, Bumbo, what up? Lord Jesus, me need some, me need for, me not drink, but me need for drink.
Cream with ice. Cream with ice.
Is she say it, you know? Is she say it, you know? She said, Raga, you know, me not drink, you know. But she said when she see Zion tree and she have to drink, you know. Think about it now. A woman claims that she not drink. And one look for one man and she turn alcoholic.
Yeah, the man clean teeth and clean fingernail, yeah.
One look for a man and before one look for a man and she eligible to be admitted to AA counseling. Alcoholic Anonymous counseling.
I need him confidence tonight to pantapet, you know, woman get wet, man. Woman
Exactly.
Get wet.
A thief woman, so I tell her I say use a body thief. I tell her I use a body thief. Right? Right? That was a perfect example of body jealousy, body covetousness, and you know, yeah. Right? And then she go on and say, all right, I could fix it up. You're a penis pilferer.
Elaine, big up you. Big up you, Elaine, with the rum cream.
Yeah. Right? Let me see. Me see one bringing she, but let me see. I would look like. Come at weird. Hold on, stay right where the millionaire.
No problem.
Tyler, wagwan. Later.
Hey, Raga.
No, we get back the same echo, you know, from your way where we always get from you.
Let me take it off the car. Hold on. Can you hear me better?
No, we are hear you good. We just not want to hear the echo too, but we are hear you good, you know. Yeah.
Oops, oh shit. Ouch, what the hell?
I was joke you. I was something joke you under you.
All right, can you hear me now? I'm sorry.
Something joke you under you a while ago.
I wouldn't mind if it did.
But come here, come talk that body thief over here, goody body thief over here.
Wagwan later. Wagwan.
What's up, Raga? What's up? Hey, TamFam.
Yeah, millionaire the upper to here, so go on.
I was so happy for her when I watched that show.
Right.
I would tell to girl, but he never gonna know what them people look.
Oh my God. That used to be my
Voila.
spot back in the days, Canarsie Pier. I used to love that place.
Bula, later you did there yesterday?
I listened to the rest of the yes, I was. I was
right.
for the end of the show.
All
yes,
right. Let me shut up. Tell millionaire what Elaine do yesterday. You tell her, me not say nothing. You just tell her what
your man got cheated on. You got cheated on, millionaire. That's it. You got cheated on yesterday.
No. You can't phrase that. Him never cheat on her.
I'm sorry. You got bun yesterday by Elaine.
No, never born. You don't know the talk, man. Just you seem to be saying that Elaine moved to the man. Did want the man, don't you? Now that
yes.
Well, explain to her what happened.
Elaine kicked where your foot yesterday.
No, give her details what Elaine called her and said tell
my
her because
God.
yeah.
She said she saw what's his name again? Zion Train.
Yeah.
And he looked so good. He looked his voice didn't match his voice didn't match the way he looked. And she got up and she went to get a glass and she crushed some ice and she got a drink and she said she had to drink when she saw him because he looked so good.
Raga, that's a body team.
All right.
The body.
All right.
Them rum.
Right. Elaine called me. And she said, I tell her the truth, it really happened. She said she fantasized about him. She said, when she fantasized about him, she find herself a sing a song. Zion train is coming on me.
Oh my God.
Wait, hold on. Me say, Elaine called me today and say, Raga, me I tell you the truth. Me then I think about the boy and think I fantasize and just find myself a sing and it just come out, the song just come out. I mean, not so freaky, but me just imagine it. She said, Zion train is coming on me.
But you know me want no. Come here, say me have to go get somebody put a piece of prayer for me. Because anytime one man,
Yeah.
like a man from here, every woman want a man. Me don't want one. All the woman never want a man. Once we go to the vicinity of the man, every woman want a man.
No, Elaine, me lose half of Elaine for that and whatever. And the way she's so excited, you know, she was just gushing. It just come out, she couldn't even hold it back, you know. That's a natural thing, I think. I catch a fight. Let me tell you, me and Elaine up in an argument last night, you know. You don't ever know, say me and good, me and her good in an argument. And she had tried
I know.
Hold on. Letter.
Yes.
Wait, Zion, wait, millionaire, listen, letter.
Yes.
Don't me and Elaine end up argue to the point where me I say, Elaine, don't Elaine, this is something about him beard to like how him beard sexy and thing.
Yes.
Don't.
Yes.
All right. Don't Elaine did that deny it, say she say, don't it?
Correct. And she was supposed to go back and listen to the show today.
And don't when we go to the class, I'm ask her if to say, don't everybody say it except the one we are anchor over our front, big beer. Don't. Everybody says she said, yeah.
She got the waiting room. She want to come up in the back. Set up the body team.
We well on
the
the only person. Me not see her, I'm gonna invite her nastiness though. I will see
Come
her.
up your body team. Come tell you what you have to say for yourself. Rum cream.
Damn little
Raga, guess what I wanted to tell you, right?
Yeah.
So one of my relatives in Jamaica died. And guess what his dad's name is? Grandfather's name.
What?
One Pop. We used to call it One Pop.
Oh.
Yeah.
But probably film.
Ev, come in and shop a liquor. Raga invite me.
Elaine, why you do it?
Just a minute.
Uh-oh.
Wanna go and talk? Give me 1 minute.
A millionaire, I strongly sense that I'm going to be subjected to a verbal assault right now. Right?
You and me both, Raga.
But me just want you know me I go hold my order, you know, and whatever, you understand. And
yeah, tell with nothing. She's a body thief. I should even change her name to Rum Cream. You don't talk. Rum Cream and Crush
and you want to hear what she excited to, you know. Me I tell her, say, Mr. Girl, since Zion train, and me I tell her all part her start jump. All part her get moist, right? All our ears must get wet.
They look like the man listen to man. Come through in here, come tell we are waiting for you.
Well, you're shagwan like she busy over there, whatever.
Yeah.
No, man, me soon come.
All right. Elaine, you want me wait until you finish?
Raga Bever come hold the shop little bit. Okay, she come.
Your ear, she insistent to see the body. Your ear, how she stay? I saw she stay.
She got send out some.
No close, Raga.
Oh, you sound so calm today. You sound subdued.
Raga. I'm Greenland. Good night and good night to the other ladies who are in the box.
Oh, you have manners tonight.
Good night, Rum Cream.
You have manners tonight.
Greenland, there is
what
two
is it with your Rum Cream and Crush Ice?
Listen to me. There is two sides to a story. And let me tell you something. I get a little phrase. Them always say the same dog who carrying the bone and the same dog take it out. Don't follow Raga, yeah?
Elaine, are you care to Crush Ice? Are you care to Crush Ice and the Rum Cream for somebody when I drink? I don't believe you. He's a body thief. You Elaine.
Greenland.
You Elaine.
No, I just cheers.
Greenland. Ask her if she did say, Raga, you know me no drink, but ask her if she did say that.
Elaine, we have a question for you. Do you drink?
No.
Then did you tell Raga say enough for the Crush Ice and the Rum Cream?
Yes, me say so, but I cheers. Me I said cheers to the man. Cheers.
Reggae! I can't manage it.
Greenland, me sorry you never there on the live last night for yourself. And you see, Raga, you see you and your people them. Now wicked Raga. Me not laugh. Let me talk to Raga now. Raga, let me tell you one thing. You see? Now Amy, you see? Jesus didn't know I said Judas. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen. Judas didn't Jesus didn't know I said Judas I go betray him, and Jesus is still love Judas. Raga,
but you didn't know that you draw for the rum cream.
Listen to me, girl. Let me talk.
Drink your tea for body.
You wasn't there, so don't buy out the argument. Don't liar. Listen to me, Greenland. Listen to me. Me come over here already. And me tell Ragashanti say, enough time the people them when I comment section them a liar, them lie. Raga, you claim say you not post something. I don't know how me get it, but me watch it 2 times today. I mean,
No. The show post.
Yeah, but me watch
No, what I'm saying is me usually cut out the things them and post a clip. But the show post over YouTube.
Well, no clip, no dead when you say me, so me like the man beard and something. And you bring a beard out of your mouth. You talk about beard, so beard exists. And the people, them all the one Marcia talk about. You said it, Elaine. Lie. All me a beg, say me never said that. Me never said that. Them drag me. Them say, them a sentence me. And me never said that. Raga mentioned that out of female. Me listen to it, the show 2 times today. Me make sure
Well on. Wanna stay right this one. Stay right this. Well on, stay right this.
Vacation. Thank you. Please click.
Greenland, the chair that
No.
you want to
Let her wait. No. Don't say nothing. Hold on. How many women out there you think look on a man and a woman look like something about between them and think say, oh no, sir. Whatever. So when we hold our one and direct the P go ahead for God. That is guy.
This is what you want to say.
I you says I am train and sit up on your jump and you run go drink.
Me never say that.
Right? So the relationship back up, man, you know, different from.
Who I say yes, them would different from the man them who I say yes, because we know in I fishing it.
You win. Go drink one liquor for it and thing because I don't even drink liquor, but I have to drink liquor for that boy. What that boy tan good. Hold on. How many women you know do them something there?
I don't know, but me do it. That's no problem. Cheers, Mr. Cheers.
Yeah, man. Hold on. Brother, alright? Me, I tell you something, right? He said it.
But what is the work between the two owners?
So, tell me something. If you want it for work and thing, where you run gang and drink liquor for? Why you make
because me I said cheers to him. You not listen to that part. That cheers, me I cheers to him, you know.
She wanted to put him on a chair.
How many women out there you think look on a man and a woman look like something about between them and think say, oh no, sir, that man look good even if you run go drink one liquor for it and think because I don't even drink liquor but I have to drink liquor for that boy. What that boy tan good. Hold on. How many women you know do them something there?
I don't know, but me do it. That's no problem. Cheers, Mr. Cheers.
Yeah, man, right?
Who I say yes, them different from the man them who say yes, because we know in our fish.
No. Be a no, Ilya, the yes, them the son. Make the yes, them the son. No. That's cool, yes, Yo, you know, you just a dick in a glass. No worry, me fine.
Raga, your people, them have apologized.
Greenland, your ear, she said, right? Yesterday she said yesterday she never said nothing about the beard, right? And you hear me tell her, when me tell her, she said something about the beard. Pretty much everybody said, Elaine, yeah, you did say about the beard.
Let
me talk, man. And you hear she come here now and she said she listened back the show 2 times and she not hear she said nothing about the beard. Remember that, you know? All right.
Yes.
Greenland. Make sure say you're there back tomorrow for the show tomorrow. Yeah?
Never there.
All right, make sure you're there back for the time.
Apologize to me.
Apologize, sir. You're a body thief. You're a body thief. Nobody no apologize to body thief.
The fresh ice or rum cream, we done with you. He's a body thief.
Greenland, me nah apologize. The man look good. Me run out the glass. Him look good. Him look good. Me nah apologize to that. Me nah
Zion, big up yourself.
Good.
Elaine, say you're good, my G.
Him look good. Me nah apologize to that and worse, so I'm gonna say ball it out. Me no know which date him born, so me him born and him a Gemini that worse, me love him more. You look good, Greenland.
Area. Confession is good for this whole
Confession, what if say me love him? Me never say me in love. Me love him. You're not easy. But you want me to do hate him? Me don't hate him. Me don't hate him, so uno can't take it the wrong way.
Gemini, crush eyes. You remember me and Gemini?
Yes. That's why me love him in band Gemini. And Raga, you see, let me tell you something, Raga. You see your people, them when I comment section. Remember a couple months ago, you know, I'm going to bring you back.
No, hold on. We're not going to where else. I saw them. I could tell you. Hold on.
No, for them in your comment section, them are damn liars and them
No, millionaire. Well, Greenland, listen up, hear this, you know. Me just like repeat what she say, you know.
Yeah.
She said when she see the man, you know, and him look good and she love him, you know. She said.
Me never said me love him last night, and now me just said.
Then that me repeat. Now what me repeat what you just said, and that me do. All right, so she said she love him, you know, and she said she'd have to go get. She not drink, but she'd have to go get the rum cream. She go get glass. You know, Jamaicans, they wanna take up glass, so we wash it out. We don't automatically. All money clean, we wash. So she probably wash out the glass. I go to her way if we go get ice put in there because this is special. You can't just drink your rum cream, so it have ice. So she go to her way, go get ice, and then she chew in rum cream in it and whatever. And she said, you know, cheers to him.
Yes.
Is that she said? She never said.
And I adapt me ear.
Hold on. She never said cheers to Uno.
Cheers to him. I never knew of Greenland until which night. Me not care. Me always hear Zion.
Greenland, you hear that? So she said cheers to him. Because it's all about him. It's not you.
All you want.
It's all about him.
Me not care all you want.
I see him and I said, Jesus God, look how long me I hear Zion King. I should have draw film long time I know. Greenland just come scoop him up so and whatever this and that. Yes, that is what you call high level body covetousness.
But I want to tell you something. I tell you it was a she to somebody else. Okay, them come and snatch him up out of the place because I never hear from Zion Tree.
It wasn't me. Me have my man on the app already, but me just attack it through. The man look
Zion
good.
Train, we're all Jamaicans and we know about Shaggy, so we all know what it was it mean. we know when a Jamaican can say, it wasn't me. We know what that mean. No.
Raga, me dance you
Raga,
put up
me
the
say them
thing
take
for
the
the
little man.
whole on no. I go apologize to
Well,
me. Watch on.
you know what? All right, Elaine, if me prove
Yes.
tomorrow, so you did say about him beard and thing, we have to put something upon the table right you know. All right. If me prove that tomorrow, big beer can give me $100, right?
Yes, I swear.
All right,
Give
then.
me big beer.
And if you win, me get big beer $100, right?
Mommy want the $100.
I love it.
I mean, no, me I go win, and if none of your listeners them watch over back the show,
CBS, send it to me. CBS says she have it. CBS, send it to me.
CBS are wicked if she says she have it.
Well, CBS, send it to me here.
No one she have it. Hurry up and send it.
Send it here, CBS. Send it, please. I just too busy
No, my
today.
ears now fool me. Send it CBS. CBS
cute.
are wicked like
Elaine,
this.
come over here, come confess. Thank you, Rizzy. Big up you, Rizzy.
All right, you know. CBS says she have it and thing and what. When me tell you, say everybody say, you know, the people them were just like, gosh, they were killing you say. Nobody don't even make no argument.
Lie, me don't say Raga. Me don't say. Me listen the show for myself 2 times to them. Me never. And you is the one that talk about the man beard. And me say me no. And Big Beard even say, but Elaine can rub my bald head and whatever. Then you know say me say it and this and that. Me never say it. And me not stop say so.
When you
Cause
say
me
big beer,
listen
say
the
about
show.
Elaine can rub my balls, what?
See bald head.
Oh, bald head, bald head. Me say big beer, say Elaine can rub my balls. Me never
Me
hear
never
that.
say it and me not stop say so because me know me not say it and me listen to this something today and me never hear that you say so.
All right, me go bring up anybody who want come up and say whether or not to the ear, she said the beard. All right, me just bring in one person. Me I bring one people and then take them back down. All right. So, Cheryl, this is Cheryl. Cheryl, me want you tell me if you did hear Elaine say something about him beard. Yes or no?
Yes, look at how me reach enter me the Atlanta.
No, hold on, man.
On the show.
Yeah, Elaine did
Yes, I heard her. I think I heard her said it for true.
All right, cool.
Don't think, say yes or no. Don't think, say yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. Nothing.
Yeah, Cheryl, yeah.
Can't
All
think
right, Cheryl, thanks. Here, me go to somebody else, here.
But she think she hear me say so.
All right, here,
She
Cheryl.
not sure. She not sure.
All right, well, I'm going to bring in somebody else and then we're going to hear.
Yeah, bring them in.
Yeah,
Because the
maybe-
whole of them are going to shame.
All right, we're going to see what's going on. I'm just bring in somebody. Let me see who. Where Chris, somebody else. What time I say Christina up and Christina not up, man? All right, well, no, man, don't worry yourself.
Whole of them are going to shame.
Millionaire, just listen. Let me see who this now. Baby Lips, where you going?
Hi.
Baby Lips, you didn't listen to the show yesterday?
Yeah, I was on the show.
All right, wait. Tell me where you, the beard controversy, you just offer where you
Honestly?
hear. Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah.
I didn't hear it.
You-
Honestly.
All right, you didn't hear it. Okay, good.
No, I didn't
All
hear
right,
it.
cool.
Honestly.
So one person said them never hear it. All right, Baby Lips, thanks. Here.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right,
Hold up,
Elaine, yeah. All right, yeah, lead now. You, Baby Lips
Me
said she
not
never.
lead. Me not lead some. Me want hear the video when me say it.
No
Me
worry
want
yourself.
let them go and talk off of them mouth.
No worry yourself. No worry
And the
yourself.
whole of them are going to shame. And them have to apologize.
People,
to
wanna
me.
come up. If you hear either we are yesterday, come up in a chat and tell me if you hear yes or no, right? Right? If you never hear, but come up in the chat. Well, all right, Master Goodas, come tell her if she hear. All right, let me see. All right. See, Angie come up. Make Angie tell her if she hear.
Hi.
Yeah, Angie.
Hey, what on?
Yeah, regarding the when we say Elaine, when she did a hype about Zion Tree and she did talk about him beard and thing. Yes or no? It did go so?
I didn't hear it. I listened back carefully.
Uh-huh.
I do not know when me have to distracted. I didn't hear it.
All right then. Okay. 2 that you got, Elaine.
Thank you, Angie.
All right, cool.
All right, Elaine. Mwah. Don't make them enjoy.
Baby. Baby girl, me know what me know. Me naughty. Me never say it.
All right.
And them sentence me last night. Me never say it.
Well. Shantana,
Yeah,
what? You didn't listen to the show last night?
yes, I did. Never hear it.
You never hear it?
No, I'm never hear it.
All right. 3 for you, Elaine. All right. Thanks,
You
Shantana.
me want play. Go and run out Paul Marcia good as just you want to talk about. Yes, you did say it, Elaine.
No, what? But may I make sure so me get it out of the video tonight.
Me kiss.
All right. Me not see nobody else come up who did. Wow. People who listened to the show last night, me could, take some more and think.
Last night, the amount of yes. So, how them I hide now?
So, Elaine.
How them I hide now?
Hello, Miss Elaine. Miss Elaine.
Yeah, Marcia, talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you just said out your mouth a while ago, say, the amount of people run out and say yes. But the thing is, a Marcia good as one, you tell me a weak fence, or you're obsessed with me. You say so. Beat me, Elaine, beat me. You say so.
Hold on, Marcia, you did hear her say thing about the beard?
She says so.
She
yes.
said, are you sure
Yes.
100%?
She says so. She want like the man
All
beard.
right. Okay,
Yes.
3 to 1. All right. Thanks, Marcia. All right. Marcia sound very confident and sure.
Lie, she liar. Lie and she go shame.
You shame. You say so.
You go shit. You're
But
right
the
to say you can't
You're a
shame.
penis pilferer. You're a penis pilferer.
What you say? She's a
She's a penis pilferer.
Penis
Body
pilferer.
man.
Marcia, you a liar. This one pan Ragashanti up. You lie.
You're a body thief. Penis
You're
pilferer.
lying.
All the people have body.
You lie.
I'm gonna look your own body. You look a body
You
thief.
lie.
A body thief.
All
You
right,
need to
Marcia.
stop
All
telling
right,
lies.
Marcia.
You lie. Liar.
All right. So, Elaine, you lead 3 to 1. Right? But that, me still have to look for it.
Raga, me no want it, so me want the video because me know me play it back 2 times today. And my mouth no say that. And you say
No,
so.
people hear what they want to hear.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Hello, Carla. Yeah?
Yes, Ilian, but glad to come up on the live. Come and book you now. Come go to show down on the Ilian.
No,
Emma,
slow down.
my
No, slow
phone.
down.
Emma, my phone.
But
Emma,
nobody on the phone. Hold on, Kem. No, drama now. Yes or not? Did you hear her say the thing about the beard?
Yeah, she said.
What she say? What she say?
I don't know what she said, but me a sentence her to life. Me hear her. Me hear her. Me a sentence her to life.
No, seriously. No, Kem, serious. You didn't hear it, yes or no? You didn't hear it. You hear it. All right, then.
Yeah, me hear her. Yeah,
All right.
I'm come down off her life.
All right, 3 to 2. All right, Kem, go be the dirty king now. All right, 3 to 2. Let me see if anybody else did it. Oh, I go give it and tell it. All right, Mr. 3. Oh, the person in yeah, I see nobody else I come up and thing. You know what you said? I go look for it. All right, let me see. Let me see who I can ask if them did hear. Wait, who this? Pretty one, quick.
Yes, Raga.
Quick question. Regarding the allegation say Elaine did when she was gushing about how sexy and attractive Zion Train is, you did hear her say anything about him beard?
Well, Elaine, I love you, but I have to talk your truth in the ear, I say so.
Okay. Okay. When the video come out,
All right.
the video, Raga.
All
The
right. 3
video.
to 3.
wrong, but me hear.
Just the video. Nobody hear wrong. You say me say so. The video, Raga.
She never said she hear it. Yeah, she said she
Video.
never said so, right? Yeah, all right.
Video.
All
No, I
right.
mean, never say so.
All right, pretty one, queen. Big up here. All right. People them say them here when you say that 3 to
Raga,
3.
me never say
I go
so.
take a few more. You may win, you know.
I no want win your son. I want win pan the video because I know me I go win pan the video.
Well,
I'm a liar. All who say me say so a liar.
and if anybody else who did there yesterday, I don't know, just come make you know whether or not they say it. Just kind of make yourself know. Let me see some people.
Thanks to Kay and Sir, some of the listeners them yesterday was say them never hear me say so about
Alright.
4 more to 5 more listeners.
About 4
Thanks
more to
to
5
them.
more. Yeah, say thanks to them and whatever.
Yes.
Yeah, big friend.
Last night, me not beg no friend. Last night, who
They
did
are
about
big
me?
friend. They
But
are-
them could not help me because me get sentenced to what me not say.
Alright, well, and this is somebody come up. I will. A few more, we see what. Libra Queen.
Wagwan the Raga.
Wagwan, tell me something I know. You did listen to the show yesterday?
Me hear the whole thing, yes, but me never hear that part there. To be honest, me never hear that part.
No, if you never hear, you never hear. You say you never hear
Yeah.
what you say about the beer.
Never
right?
hear that.
All right,
No.
not say a word, man. All right,
All
blessings.
right, bless up, bless up.
Yeah, man.
Bless up, bless up.
Raga, me never say so. True,
Right.
true.
All right, you can't worry about that.
Never say so.
All right, let me see if anybody, well, nobody else not there. Man, nobody else not there. Okay, when we pull it, we pull it thing and whatever.
Mhm.
But everybody, when you admit those are the whole class, it say like, yeah.
Not the whole class.
Hold
You
on,
say-
me not finish say what me I say. But you admit though, say like pretty much everybody did say yes that
Yes,
based upon
yes.
hold on, based upon your what them hear from you that you quietly want Zion train and you that take him and you get
Raga,
it.
me not.
Well,
Raga,
you remember when the
Raga.
class said that? Me just I say if you remember when the class it said that.
Say what?
Say, you know, them believe say no, the way you talk you that one. Well on there. Christina.
Yes.
Where? CBS.
Yeah,
you
you
did
can hear me?
Yes or no? Yeah, we are hear you. Yes or no?
Well,
Yeah.
I know that conversation happened in the chat.
Wait,
And
hold on,
I'm
one second.
kind
K,
of-
hold on, wait, 1 second. K,
Hey,
you have something that
Yo.
make nice back of you, here?
hold on there, the fan. Hold on there.
No, some talking, some low talking, something.
Hold on there.
You have something
Hold
to
on
play,
there.
right? And it a
Just
disturb
try-
the show, here?
Yeah, give me 1 minute. Oh, Jesus. Hold on there, Raga. Okay, me go come back up. Me can't find the song.
Yeah.
Okay, me I come back up.
All right. Yeah, yeah, CBS, go on now.
Yeah, so I recall that conversation in the chat, but to be honest, I do not recall that coming from Elaine.
All right, okay. You never hear nothing about beard.
Not initiated by Elaine.
Oh, right. That's what I'm asking you. But based
no.
on what you hear from Ilian, you think say Ilian did really act for Zion train and would I take him?
Yeah, man. Hey, the way she's like, let me tell you. Hold on, let me tell you. I had to run and go get a glass.
Greenland,
And she didn't even say get ice cube. She didn't even say she put ice cube in the glass. She said she had to crush the ice.
Yeah.
And she poured the rum cream.
Yeah.
She had to do all that. And she just kept saying, I don't drink. But boy, Zion train. And then when she found out how old he was, because she thought he was 20 something.
Well, Ilian, make the woman talk, man. You have cow down people too much.
When you
Talk.
were saying that When we were saying that he was 55, that's when Elaine, the light, she saw the opportunity that she would now have a chance to be with him.
No.
Hey, millionaire, she kicked with her foot.
Liam, the verdict is about it.
No.
Because see, if he was 20-something, she wasn't looking at him. But since she knew he was over, she saw the opportunity. She saw the light.
No, you get it wrong, girlfriend. Remember me saying no. Zion 3 and son young.
It's okay.
In 20.
Yeah, it's okay.
But when
It's
me see him flip the camera now, and me see me, I say, he's a big
We know
man,
you was lusting
and he
after
look
him.
good. Me no know him age, and you just tell me him age now.
We know you was lusting after him. It's okay though.
What you say a while ago?
Me never know him age, Raga, because me the thing say him at 20-something, you know.
But
And
when you saw that beard, you know he wasn't 20-something, and you saw your opportunity.
But me still never know him age.
But he wasn't 20-something.
I know.
And you saw your opportunity.
No opportunity. I
Oh
was
boy.
just
For a millionaire. We have to find you somebody else millionaire.
Elaine, you know, I always say, you and CBS and Java, I don't forget nothing. Elaine, you never hear nothing about Zion King age.
No, Raga, no. And me come on and say, when me used to hear him talk, him sound like him in his 20s. That's what I said. But when he flip the camera now, me realize him is a big man. That's
and
what.
you realize
you
had a
never
chance.
know him age. You're not saying a foolishness. You're not put nothing in my head. Me a talk what me say last night.
All right.
Me never know him age.
Okay.
All right, CBS, thanks. Here.
Yeah.
All right, respect. Cool. All right. We'll take a few more of these and we'll just hear what
Nah,
people have to say.
Let me tell lie for myself. Me a talk everything what me say.
All right, then. Cool. Don't tell no lie for yourself.
No?
No?
Sure.
Well, oh, this person not come in, a person. Well, a person not come in. Let me take them down, because them not come on. Them not, them thing not click on, you know. Hello.
Night, sir.
Yeah, greetings.
Greetings, sir. Raga. Evening.
Yeah, man. Where I go to?
Yeah, today was the court date, you know, so we just a call out appreciation for give an update on the matter at the court today. But we tell us, say we have King Charles, we have challenged the Constitution, the legality of the Constitution.
Listen, don't vex. We kind of dip on one thing, so I don't know if we could have
No problem. No, I wouldn't vex. We could touch back base upon another time then.
Yeah,
We just show appreciation to say we appreciate it, yeah, man. Heart of love, man.
Thank you for your understanding. We appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, all right. So what you say?
First of all, I want to say that exchange is no robbery.
All right.
All right? And I'm here to defend. Elaine.
Okay.
I did not hear. First of all, let me say, Elaine elaborated a whole lot about this guy, right? Maybe now that she made clarifications last night that this was not her intention, her words itself gave off as if she had a crush on this man or something would have been possible. Elaine, end of the day, it does not matter if this wasn't about millionaire, it's how you felt about the man. Because you told me that all along you thought that it was a young person, but when you saw him, you realize he is a man, right? Nothing wrong in fantasizing about somebody, whether if there is somebody or not. You are a human being. You're entitled to your own feelings. But she rightly explained afterwards, she said that she did not say that. I did not hear her say that. So I think lighten up on Elaine for a bit. She's entitled to her
We
feelings. If
ask you,
Zion train,
well on. You can't come here, and tell me if you did hear us, just like everybody else.
well, that's what I'm trying to
Well on. You
clarify.
see that talk a while ago, I never disturb you. Listen now, right? So you can't come here and you can't talk about whether or not you say what. No come here, come give nobody no directions what we do.
No, I'm not doing that, dear. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that at all. But I'm only trying to say.
Elaine, your best.
No, and I'm nothing to do with Bessie right now. Right now, me just to say, her wrong choice of words made the audience felt like she had a crush on the man because
Hold on. Wrong choice of words make the audience felt like she had a crush on the man. So you are saying then that Elaine never feel him like that at all?
I don't know what Elaine is feeling. I really don't know.
But if you say wrong choice of words make the audience, that means that the audience interpret something wrong. If it's wrong, you know what is right. So what is right?
Yes, so I am saying the way that she expressed herself, she was wrong for saying that if she knew that she didn't mean it like that. That's what I'm saying.
All right. So in your opinion, based on where you hear Elaine say yesterday, you think if Elaine get a chance to take Zanchi and body should have take it?
Well, of course, I do believe. I'm a woman myself, of course. If I see something nice, Raga, I'm going to say that something is nice. I'm not going to lie about it.
No. I'm going to ask you if you're going to say it nice, because that was her point last night. Elaine said, so I can't say it. So I ask you, if you think she should have taken your body.
Yeah, of course.
You think she should have taken your body?
Of course. Okay. Yeah. If I had like it and the way how Elaine they elaborate, of course, it seemed like she would eat Zion train from the crown of his head to the sole of his feet. May I tell you, that's how Elaine sounded like a horny devil. She would chew him up, wrap him up, and swallow him whole.
All right. Elaine, you hear how your friend balance? You hear she balance?
But the truth,
she talk the truth on one side and defend you, and then on the other side she give her opinion about
because
whatever.
I did not hear her say about the bill. That's why I'm defending.
So Elaine, what is your response to that now?
Can't always start the truth. So that a fair opinion, that is fair opinion. And me have my opinion.
Right.
That me love when people tell the truth.
All right, cool.
Tell no lie upon me never say it.
But Elaine, don't beat up yourself if you have a crush or if Zion look nice.
No,
if he look nice, he just look nice.
Him nice. Him look good. Me not
of
take
course.
him look good. And him are the only man who look good. And when me say look good.
No, we know you want bro God. We know you want bro God too. You tell me that. we know.
When people look good, me I compliment them, they look good. I'm not say about my talk. We want put it for them wear, them put it for them wear. You look good.
All right then, Kate. Thanks for your very learned and astute input there just now. Much appreciated.
As always, Raga. As always.
Yeah, man. Cool. Greenland.
Yeah.
Regardless, me not tell you what you have to do. You're your own big man, so me not tell you what you have to do. All me I say is, Elaine, I'm a charge, I'm a defender, but in my humble opinion, if you are dead for thirsty and you feel like you're going to drop down and dead, but you're not dead yet, and Elaine offer you water, don't take it.
Don't take it. Yeah, me I said that too.
Don't take it. Don't take it. No. Don't take
Elaine,
it.
you're
No,
bad.
don't take it. Don't take it. Don't
You're
take
bad,
it.
Elaine.
That's my advice. If you want to take it, you take it.
Elaine, you need to change your name to Crush Ice and Rum Cream. We're done with you. We're done with you, Elaine.
Mama, yeah, I want and some higher level sitting in a rum cream and Crush Ice and rum cream. Bomba! You know what is going on in the unconscious there, you know. Right? If a woman look on her man and she have to draw for Crush Ice and rum cream and whatever.
Serious, something that's
that's a duality right there, you know, because she cool down her body and eat up her body at the same time, you know. And so when man, you know, one time you attract to something and it's a mad, you know, you have this kind of push-pull type of thing
but
going
another
on.
people that part there, the fact that she tell us that she don't drink. At that part there.
Is she here she did we laugh. Is she come on? Nobody never she said, Raga, you know me again, me not drink. Me not drink. But the boy make me have to drink. No, any woman can tell you, say, when she her mind upon a man and she dey run a man and she drink or whatever, she know deep down she feel a man there because no guy.
Here, somebody say, Raka, she could have drink a flavored beer, but she made sure she got choose rum
cream, down. She could have got drink water, down. She could have got drink lemonade.
Drink
some
anything
cranberry
soft
water,
and rum cream, them gonna beat me same way.
No, we're not talking about the beating. We're talking about what you draw for, right? You see a man, you know, go drink lemonade. You know, go drink. Well, what is something where they are Jamaican here? Shackleberry, I saw it name.
Yeah, Shackaberry
Kool-Aid, the Shackaberry film, the Kool-Aid.
Yeah, you never go drink Shackaberry fin. You never go drink water. You never go drink a Pepsi or a soda.
Cran water.
Cran water. You never go drink nothing there, so you're gonna
rum cream and Crush Ice.
Yeah, rum cream and Crush Ice and rum cream to bombard and thing or whatever. Now somebody that will feel nice, I want to feel nicer. Yeah. You understand? You see it?
Hey, Raka, look what a way Kia one body thief to hear. No, she's entitled to drink what she want. Kay, we know already, say birds of a feather flock together. We already know which part you flock.
Greenland, you're going like you're shine, but you're full of talk. How you mean the birds of a feather flock together?
What you think I know Greenland full of talk? Greenland full of talk for a long time, from foundation.
No, we never did that here or regular.
No. Then Greenland will keep live over here enough time to and whatever. She keep her alive, right? And she vibes it, and she witty, and she's smart, and she's intelligent, and think that's why, you know, we feel say she match with Zion Train. But people don't want to match them up before them even start. Yeah, wicked people when I call no name.
Cheers, Missy. Yeah, Greenland, cheers.
Admit it. Watch it.
What?
See the evidence?
See
the evidence?
What case it? No man, can't keep it 100, you know.
Yeah,
what case it? What case it?
You know, see, body for teeth at times.
Body for teeth at times. You can't see the K a gangster, you know. I'm tell you, right? K one of them smooth gangster, you know. K ain't kill up herself. She just move mystic, you know, and take body if she want. But if K see a body and she like a body and she want a body, she'll take a body. Right? K in a response. Right. Yeah, K in a response.
We don't need for you, Mr. Zion Train. Oh, him so quiet. I wish part him that he will need to stand for.
Well, like, yeah, says Zion Train. Him never link you back or nothing.
No, he never linked me.
No, man, that sounds suspicious, you know. I wonder if
it's
somebody...
It's very suspicious. I think that the woman team on the FYP page and color him up in the corner.
You know, who would probably link him? Like somebody I like Sinalicious would link him, you know.
I don't think a sinner.
You don't think a sinner?
No, I don't think a she.
Yeah, I don't know.
Your master good as says Zion Train broke down Greenland, Lord, jeez. Hey, them people are
who said that says Zion Train? Zion Train broke. Say train broke down, no? Yeah. Elaine, you good?
Yeah, man, you know, say me love listen and learn, you know. Okay. That's why me not make no.
You not listen and learn. No, you are at the class, Crush Ice or rum cream. You think you're trick me?
Yeah, man.
Say, from the first time me hear so such lady talk on your show. Me say, no man, the person that sound like them that coronation market, you can no say them a liar.
So why you afraid to call Marcia name?
You call it. You call it. No matter simple and calm the conversation I go, she come. No.
All what you say.
Me say she a go share me now.
And
Cause
all
she
you
lie.
all you say is that still not change the fact say you want Zion Train driving big truck up in your driveway.
Nothing like that, Greenland. Me just a cheers. Cheers, my brother. You look good. You look damn good.
Greenland, the point I made yesterday when she said cheers is not CHEERS. It's CHAIRS. You know the backers, the 2 foot, that the 2D, them pan 2 chair and you bend over and the woman the wall chair foot them and you get the wall height. And that cheers the shit talk about here. Don't make you fool you.
I'm very happy with you too, okay? I love you.
Oh, she love.
Hello, may I talk to my client? Gonna talk a little bit of Mixy.
When you talk to who?
My client.
Your client and them the sweet I love you, sir.
She's a sweet lady. I love her for real.
A woman you talked to a while ago?
Yeah. You know, if I never IPA, I could have show you, but I IPA, so you know, yeah.
Right. That sound like, like you did a talk to one old
You know, when I'm doing work, I'm a professional.
No, I know, but it sounds like you talk to like one older Italian man with a name, something like Gino Andretti, I love you too. Capisci, some of the bench, and I love you too.
Stop, Raga.
But you
Me
say
I
what?
go take you down, you to mix some. Me I go take you down, you need to come down.
Yeah, me?
Yes.
After she come over
me make a pum pum jump off a good looking man with nice beard. What me dropping like that now?
Yeah.
Because you come over here and you tell the people them all, me call you last night and attack with things them and you have to run me way. All kind of something.
Yeah, you never call me till I say when she
say all you say that say Coronation Market run with that too.
Listen to me. A millionaire, Greenland. She called me and she said, Raga, what big and serious doing, and I know somebody I think about Zion Train last night, and I think me just find myself a sing about him, and I say, Zion Train is coming on me. Yeah, turn up your freakiness and thing and whatever. I come panner, them something that this or she there. And that she tell me over iPhone.
Elaine, we're proud of you, though. I say go. So my follow for someone, we're proud of you.
You're not business. You're not proud of me. You're not proud of me in a good way. That is not the good way proud.
Raga, why people still so? You see, we did have cause of fight with her though.
Yeah.
She would have feel better, To me not cause of fight with her, but just me proud of you happy for you now. She can't.
No, you're not happy for me. Now you are
up in her feelings.
Why you happy for me? Why you happy for me?
Mirror feelings. She a mirror
Why you
feelings.
happy for me?
She never happy for me, no.
Why you happy for me?
And me happy for she, and she has said me.
Last night, me I tell you some most I things them Raga tell you a lie because me come on and me make a big speech for your Zion Train.
After tonight, I can tell you how much I love you.
Elaine, what you say? You come on last night. Hold on. Elaine, what you just say? I come here, you come up on the phone and make a big speech for Millionaire Greenland and Zion Train. And that you just say,
Yes. Come on, last night, Greenland, and make a big speech and say, we wish you know well.
Listen to her, listen what she say. Yeah, go on talk. Yeah.
Come on, last night, and me say, we wish Greenland and Zion Train the best. Everything that is good, happiness, and me wish them live to see 100 and more of children, and live to see them grandchildren and great-grandchildren. Me ta be a good things a raga. Raga just a flip it.
Marcia said she never mentioned you.
Wait, one second.
Mm.
Satan, you can't prevail. Satan, you can't prevail. Because of this. Satan, you have to know Ragashanti is moving on. Satan, you can't prevail. All right, you go on top. Me do me have to do.
Greenland, me I'll go through the test and say, all right, Raga, we know the pan, eh?
You know when you give it yourself, when you come over here and start off with the Judas argument right there and then, me know you're wicked.
No, you don't understand that. You don't understand that. You don't understand that phrase there. Listen to me now. And last night, we come off of the phone and me say, Raga, we depend on land now. And Greenland and Zion train upon the polium and them something and them attacking them. Is it bad for me run to the bar, get a drink and say cheers and talk of the things them? Is that bad, Greenland? Talk it truth.
Somebody say everything to my aunt Raga.
No, what she now say is, yeah, she in the audience, you and Zion train up on the stage and whatever, and she at the edge of the stage and holding pants foot and I drag it. And that's a part that she not. She not tell about that part there, yeah?
She want to touch the hem of the garment. Elaine, we hear you already.
Yo, that bad. That one the bad. When you say she want to touch the hem of them garment, I think that alone would have fulfill her, though. Anyway, Elaine, I shall be doing some editing tonight.
Yes, man.
Okay, right. Big Beer, line up my $100, line up my bills there. Here we have to pay for your
and
woman.
you make sure send the $100 where you're supposed to give Big Beer. Just send it to me.
So why Big Beer for pay if you lose, but are you forget the money if you win?
Because it's my man.
When not the answer question, you know. All right, then. I'll leave it alone. No.
Because Big Bear not have no problem with that. If pay something for me if me lose, and if me win, the person pay me. Me not have no problem with that.
Spoken like a true general, you know, man. You hear them something, and you hear what she say, cause Big Bear not have no problem with that. You lucky she never come out and say Big Bear is a real man. And
yeah, she show the ego.
Yeah,
she show the ego.
You know them something when woman they do and whatever like that, you know, because to she know Big Bear and a junker like me, you know, forgot hear something like that and be like, me not put no money, a girl a fool you take me for. Go man. Right?
Big Bear not stay so. Not stay so.
We know already read your style already.
Yeah, cause you have Big Bear like real claffy, like a clown.
No.
You have Big Bear like a real kunomono, don't.
No, Raga.
Me nah mash up your things.
Understand each other. That's what I try to do.
Well, hey, it's a good thing me not give a long time, you know. Hey, Elaine, you come out. Eh?
Talia say, at a Big Bear saying better save up the $100 for go bail Elaine with a body prison.
With a body prison? Well, but she use all of the classic general woman taught them, you know. A proper hustler woman taught. No, me not take advantage of him. We just understand each other.
What's that
well, yo, at the classic general taught them the woman use, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, I'm a little friend, man. Sure, leave me alone. I'm a little friend. Anyway, ladies, big up yourself. Millionaire, you depend on the work. Me just want you know, I'm an informer thing, but me know you're the innocent party involved here. So me just want you know, say, I look out for your life and thing and whatever, because me just want you appreciate, because sometimes, you know, people are go through things and You see all of the danger out there, but them don't know so the danger out there set for them and whatever. And from what me hear last night, from certain people, them would do anything for fling you out of the way for clear the path for them. You hear me? I tell you, sir? All right. So,
But again, no, we want to tell us to
well,
big up.
answer. If any of them come and I can't saltfish and boiled banana, don't take it. The occupation. Ain't what you answer?
But that's what you say. You know, the other night when you did teach you about how the political arena run, that was so informative. I never looked at it like that before. I'm just love you. Just love you, Raga. You know?
No, well, I'm not ready for take it on your 10:30.
Okay.
Yeah, I just love you. When you're professor mode and you're teacher, oh my God, you just give me enough more things to go writing on my paper them. So I just want to say thanks.
Give thanks, man. Don't worry yourself, man. All right, blessings, man. See?
You're welcome. That's Mr. Raga.
Okay. Watch it.
What you know?
Nobody try sweep me up with your nice voice. With your You're welcome. That's Mr. Raga. Right? Hey, you see anybody who call me Raga, you see any day them call me, if them is not a white person, that's true. But any non-white person who call me Raga, you see, anytime them start calling me Ragger, I'm careful.
You know them up to something.
Anytime they turn to herb, you have to be careful. Spider sense, trouble daddy. Because white people in general, them say Ragger, Mr. Ragashanti, Mr. Ragashanti. Now that them say. So if somebody call me Ragga, and a ragger them call me all the way, but anytime a woman and she say, what ragger? It's like, okay, where you want now? Where you up to now? Where you up to now? Yeah, where you up to? Right now,
yeah. We don't know where you up to already, Miss Crusher. It's a rum cream.
Crusher is a rum cream. Girl, badia. You think she is a prime up in a man. You can imagine our imagination gone and whatever. Go see what she all did that, but what you imagine how she play up in a Zion tree and beard and beard something. She probably say, yo, I want to wet up that beard, Daisy.
Yes, you're going back to the beard thing again?
No, I say you were probably imagining this somewhere. But anyway, I digress. All right. Anyway, big up yourself here. No worry yourself, Greenland. All right. Respect and cool.
All right. Big up. Later, Elaine.
Bye.
I hear Greenland say Francis come off like Zion train a link car. Me not put it past some people really, you know, for really link Zion train. Cause I call name already, you know, who probably link Zion train and make him not call or whatever. Me not put it past like Sinalicious or one of them, you know. For call him and, you know. Yeah. You got people out there, they sneaky, man. They sneaky. People be sneaky, man. You know what I'm saying? Right? Somebody, sweet candy, big up, man. Everything is everything. Tal, remember Zion did I ice someone else in the chat to Raga? Who? Sinalicious. Don't call me name. Absolutely not. I have enough body on my plate. Your plate? Oh, your plate? Well, I'm glad I don't know. Just come on through this something, you know. Where is this in that? Your plate? You played full of body down. You played full of body down. All right then. All right. Your Pyrex dish full of body down. Yeah, what? See that? Double down on it. Yes, my plate. Okay. Hey, do you? You do you, okay? All right. Happy for you. You know? All right, cool. I got it. So people, Spain beat France. Me no mind. I don't mind just being beat France, even though hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Me a loop and echo. I don't know where they must see nine people in car again.
Take me off of Bluetooth. Take it off of Bluetooth.
Waiting for pairing.
You can't hear me now?
Yeah, me still I hear the echo though.
There's no way you can still be hearing the echo.
Oh, it gone now.
Okay, I just want to say happy birthday to this beautiful lady beside me right now while I'm driving.
Well, I'm pat there beside you.
Yes, sir. She's
Okay.
follower.
Well, let me sing for my friend. All
No,
right.
you never sing for me. You never did sing for me. I'm not trying to work in band.
Come on. Petty jealousies. This is no time. Yeah, tell her, talk to her. Get a hold of yourself and whatever. I know your time now. Stop it talking, okay? I know your time now.
My phone.
It's not your, what? Eh? Let me sing for my friend, no, man. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patty. I said Patty, not Batty. Happy birthday to not the bad mind person beside you, but you.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, July, woman. Hold on. Wait. Antasha, no July, woman, too. Hold on.
I am.
How much month Antasha, but I think Antasha. July Antasha, man. Well, you wouldn't know.
You can't ask me nothing about ANC, hello?
Right. Yeah, SDC.
I am nothing.
Weird. Antasha was last week. Jeez and peace.
My Cancerian sister. Yay!
Well, CBS, I couldn't remind me, Antasha's birthday last week, man. Oh, God. You know what sound like ANC woman no one don't even come tell me.
So far from the tree.
Eh? Well, they never remind me of Antasha's birthday. No wonder the little wretch disappear for a minute and think. She must go somewhere, you know.
Oh,
Antasha. You know, see me miss her birthday.
Happy belated birthday, Antasha.
Well, happy birthday to you, Pat. I heard day today. Now make nobody else come go on like them want to take away your shine today, yeah?
They can't take home a shine.
Right? Now make the crosses then come rain by your parade, because if them are rain by your parade, you want to piss them, I go piss on it. You know who me at all?
I know some of us call it a good Obia man.
All right, that's right. Yeah, anyone them piss by your parade, you come call me because me will block the piss exit.
Yes, block it up and
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Make it piss back up in them and go up in them brain and go rank up them brain.
Lord Jesus.
We at CBS next week.
Cancerian gang. Gang.
What that? Next week?
Yeah.
But CBS now Leo.
Well, probably she's the 23rd, go onward.
Oh, yeah.
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 After the 23rd, it's Leo.
Well, CBS is probably the only nice Leo woman out there. Probably the only one. Because CBS nice, so CBS is what you call an CBS is what you call an anomaly. Right? She is not like the rest in her ilk. Right? Because the Leo is the most terrible woman them. And CBS is a good person. So she is the exception. Anyway, but so we at this weekend at your party?
Yes.
Okay. Which day again?
It's Friday.
Friday, me I try come up there, you know.
You don't want to break my heart.
No, me I try come at your party, man. Me I come for your party, man.
Thank you so much.
All right. And them food good. Me like them food in a quarter, right?
Yes, absolutely. It was good. And the liquor part of my too.
Right, but for me, it's nice when you're going someplace and you look forward to eating.
Oh, certainly.
We facts a laugh, but
I don't know what should I laugh at so far.
that was no joke, never in that. I wish you get.
She dey on time out, you know, so I don't know what she laugh about.
Yeah.
She dey on fasting.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We are on fasting.
So I'm gonna chill me tonight.
So
I'm gonna come bed hungry.
Yeah, me not get involved in that one. You see, look what Karen Robin writing at the church. She said, "That's a code." Indeed it is. Indeed it is. Indeed it is. Yeah, indeed it is. Indeed
When
it
they're
is.
fasting, so you know, I'm gonna teach you how to go on this fasting thing.
Yeah.
So Raga say.
But because it's the birthday, you're allowed to break the fast.
No.
Just for tonight.
Raga say we're not make nothing break with fast.
Or you must learn to do without something that you love.
Right.
You're learning a class, you're gonna pass your pep. You're gonna immaculate September morning. Oh, TamFam don't know this side of Let me
Yeah, let me really know them Jamaicans. Some of them. Yeah,
Let me
really know them.
take myself.
Yeah.
TamFam, I do apologize for that outburst.
All right, ladies, bless up for this. Pat, I guess I'll see you on Friday, okay, darling?
Big up yourself, bossy, yes?
Got some man, blessings, man, cool.
All right, later.
Dirty fox.
Where?
Boy. Boy. You got well, I love TamFam, you know. Yeah, man. All right. Jesus God. Just when we thought the thing I gonna simmer down a little bit, just when we think the thing I gonna mellow out a little bit, here you know.
Hear what?
Eh?
I just paused my TV. I pause the TV. Hear what? What they want to hear? Are we expected to hear?
No, me just say hello. Me just say hello.
No, when I think the thing gonna mellow down a little bit and pause a little bit, you say, here you know.
I said that.
No, hold on. Anyway, I don't call it to argue with you. Okay? I just
hold on. You sure you never call me to argue with me?
Me not the argument.
You don't call me to argue with me, right? You sure?
No, me not argue with you.
So no argument tonight. No argument tonight, right?
No argument tonight.
No argument tonight. Okay. No argument tonight. Yes.
All I'm saying.
Me love when you... No. Speaky spooky. Because me love when you speaky spooky.
All me I say.
Yeah.
You know what I showed last night.
Mm-hmm.
But the harder night when Zion Train come up.
Mm-hmm.
He talk his age. First of all, when the young lady asked him how old, he said he's 55. So, cock thief never hear the part of story there. Huh?
Who never miss nothing yet? No, who never miss nothing yet? She said she never know, she don't know nothing about him age. Is that she said? She never hear nothing about him. When she said, right away, Shanae post in the chat and say, but no, we had a discussion about his age. A discussion was there about his age. So she basically says, so Elaine, you notice how Elaine can call the show and say, Raga, 3 weeks ago, when someone said, and she remember everything specific and whatever, and all of a sudden, she says, Zion Train, and run go drink crush ice and whatever, and I remember nothing what all she remember is Chun did a jump and this and that and whatever, but all of a sudden, Elaine who remember everything, she don't remember nothing, no. You notice, no?
Exactly, till she wet up all herself.
Well,
Till she wet up her-
see when she said she know nothing about him age, know nothing about, hear me jump in and say, what you just say? And she said, me just I know about him age, and I'm just leave it and thing because she gonna deny it right down. Right?
She lie. She lie.
Yeah.
And guess what? Me not beg no friend and me not take up for nobody. But guess what? She lie because guess what? The young man said he's 55 when the young lady asked him.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And he said she is 55. So she catch the age because guess what? She thought it was a daycare center guy. So she don't want no daycare center picnic. So she realized it's a senior citizen. Her pum started to drop like the bullfrog outside.
Yeah. Well, Lanoi say Elaine have selective memory. So Lanoi post that in the chat. Say Elaine have selective memory. Mm-hmm.
Right. She remember what she want to remember.
Exactly.
Okay. So when she deny and I go on and say, listen, if I'm gonna cheer for someone, I'm gonna say I'm cheering for you guys. Right?
Thank you.
She only cheer for the man alone.
Thank
you.
you.
Oh, me a cheer for him. Right? Me a cheer for him. No, you see me, I'm a very outspoken person and I'm going to speak the truth.
Right. I'm glad you noticed it too. Because him, she said she cheers to and whatever. Exactly. Nothing to do with Greenland. Nothing to do with Greenland.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with Greenland. If you're going to cheer for them, you cheer for the both of them. Right? Or you're going to cheer for the man alone.
Yeah, two of them. But you have to come out and say, just the man alone, you feature. She going like say Greenland is not a human being.
Exactly.
She wasn't affirming the humanity of the lady who did her no wrong.
Exactly. All these years and all these times she hear the man voice. She catch her kicks off of the man, but guess what? She get the opportunity now because she see the man face.
You see?
Right? All along. Right? That's why I say, you see, she are using Sesame Street Big Bird because guess what? She want the Sesame Street Big Bird money. Don't give her no money. She come tell about she if you send $100, come give her. Don't give her no money. Don't make she feel, don't send no money no Western Union and Alaska MoneyGram to her. And that's she want. So I don't send no $100 in her account.
When you say Big Beer, you change him name to Big Bird, Sesame Street Big Bird.
Yeah, so she rub me out for him. So she
Big
Beer, she rub me out.
Yeah.
So me not go rub out, me speak to me no friend. Yeah, she say.
So you say Big Bird no figure no Big Beer no figure no money.
Right, because she don't want Big Beer and money. She just want to know she go Western Union or Alaska MoneyGram. And she get a text for her message money sent to her account.
All right, but me ask you something though. If since Big Beer get up every day and I defend her, you think we should get involved in that? Probably we need to leave it alone though.
No, me not get involved in that. All I'm saying no.
Because him always give her the benefit of the doubt. So if him always, because some people you can't say nothing to them.
Right, this is why I said that because when you said if you win, Big Bear forgive you the $100, and if she win, Big Bear, you forgive the $100. She go jump up and say, no, me forget it. You know, want no obligation to send no money go give her bright, she bright.
Okay.
A bright, she bright, the money she want. Okay. Don't give her no make she feel important. Right? And that's
but it's a good point. It's a good point you make though, so she conveniently cut out. I never know him age. I hear nothing to do with him age. I know nothing. I just know him age and thing like that. Elaine when I miss nothing. Elaine when I miss nothing.
When Greenland asks him, and Greenland say exactly that is a good age. So how she missed that?
Yeah. Yeah, good discussion about it and thing. It was right there, Elaine, when I miss nothing. You understand? Yeah.
She will know the man here, just as she run out. That's why she wet up herself and go drink rum cream with ice.
Then that CBS say, when she had the age, I want you, why in my age group, Greenland don't forget that. I mean, forget that. Yeah, that's what she did.
Yeah, bad mind.
Yeah.
Greenland, hold on for your man. Greenland don't make no girl take your man, Greenland. Hold on for your man, Greenland. Fight to the end. Fight out the back of Greenland for your man. And all of them, you're out there at the cold and as far that I send a man here and the sun and girl are running. No. That before this Anna Greenland. Before so Greenland are up. And a girl now go take your man. She feel go back to our Big Beer.
But before
go away.
Go back to her.
Your Big Beer.
Okay, all
She
right.
too
Then.
out order.
Yeah, she will make, yeah.
Right, she right. And lie.
Yeah, she need to
Lie,
make,
she know the man age.
yeah.
So, all right. So, what have to tell me, say, because she just see him face, she don't know him age, and she wet up herself and drink rum cream.
Yeah.
Just in face, she see.
Yeah.
Just in face, she see. And wet up herself and drink rum cream, and a chairman, so.
Then, so, well,
She wouldn't be look a sham.
no, but in fairness to her and she alone there, you have woman who just see man and get hotter after them a regular thing that
Yes,
I don't know.
brother, and not say no.
Yeah.
And not say no, but a long time she have feelings to the man.
To
A
who?
long time.
Who?
Zion Train. A long time she have feelings for Zion Train. And just when I see she see.
No.
Raga.
No, you're not listen. That
me
don't
no
make
feel
sense.
sad just when I when she
No, let me tell you. She's 100% telling the truth when she listened to the Zion Train at first. I know she alone. Enough people think Zion Train was a younger youth, like probably 30s or so, or 20s or 30s. The way him talk. So I believe her. So but the point is she never have no interest in him then. But to CBS's point now, when she see him and hear him age or whatever now, I mean at the range of the type of man where she was. Because in general, you know, she tell the truth, so she not really get involved with young boy or younger youth and a fear speeder. Right. So basically, CBS right Zion Train to her in a fair league. And that's why she thinks, you know, to she see Greenland look younger now. She thinks that Greenland not deserve Zion Train. Greenland not forget Zion Train. Right?
Thank you very much. And she forget him.
Exactly. That's right. She want to push for Greenland now and say, go on about us to go eat tin mackerel and give me the stew beef. Right? Yeah, so you understand. You know, deserve stew beef. And that's what I tell Greenland. Right? And I said, if you go drink, you go eat, you know, tin food, sardine or sitting or whatever, while she over here eat cow food. You know?
Bad mind, a cocky thief that them girl walk and thief cocky up a line too. And them girl look up and see one cocky on the line and then girl take it down. Cocky thief that.
They move the clothespin and take it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Cocky thief. Boy. You don't know say this song I plan for you for when you come trace me.
You sure you want to, you stand by that about Elaine?
What you mean? And me say, remember say me a scorpion, you know, me walk with my sting, and me you forgot say she trace me. You forgot say she trace me for K and Big Bear. Me care feelings.
Oh, okay. So you admit you care belly fear, right?
Yes, cause she trace me.
Okay.
So the cocky thief. Cocky thief, Lord, the young lady alone, the young lady survive. Walk and thief cocky like when they worm take mango. You could thief, move your blouse and skirt and go.
Shots fired! It's hot over here. No Sawagwan. No sun, you know. We need to cool it down. The summer get warm around here. The summer get hot.
Like when we take mango.
What teeth body like when we're take mango? No, it's sticky for some of them out there. No, sir.
You know what I just you see me near the wall of the show last night? Me admit, Marcia, me and no friend Marcia, anything you say, I saw it go. Marcia, you're supposed to sell a coronation market.
Yeah, cause she did a style of coronation market, though.
Yeah, Marcia.
But that everybody, I done the whole chat. They say when Elaine say over coronation market, and the whole chat, all that chat she had done right. They say, you know,
Yes. Yeah, but you not call no name, you call it. Raga, you're supposed to call any name because guess what? Bad day, I'm not afraid to call nobody name. Marcia say yes, you're supposed to chat like coronation market. She too out order. Boy, you walk and thief coffee like when time the sun at back for you. Move yourself.
Oh, wait. You lost me there, and I've never heard that one before.
Raga, me say me song and talk so and plan some things in my head.
No. You say she walk and thief cocky like when the sun a burn back way.
Yeah, because the sun well hot. So she take thief when the cat no good she a thief it.
How does the sun burn back way?
this hot, you know, so when you're all with this, when you're in your house, the sun upon you. The heat coming in your house, pan you start to burn back way.
So there have been times when, unbeknownst to me, the sun upon me back way.
Yeah, because when you're in your house and the time hot, nobody upon your back way, because you know what I do at night. Right now, I'm in my house and it come like the sun still a shine. I mean,
Well,
hot.
I don't. What I'm saying is,
All right.
no,
Nobody
hold on,
going at that. Nobody going
hold
at
on, no. What I'm saying is, be reminded, I'm a Jamaican man, right? And we have a love-hate relationship with the term back, because we love backers, but
I mean, no,
we
your
love.
mind too smart. You go up on the dirt side. You go up on the dirt side of the sea
No,
side,
hold
the
on. Let's be clear right here. Let's be very clear. Raga, in case you don't know yet, Raga is out of order when it comes to sex stuff. Duh, right?
Yeah, but
So what I'm saying is, I'm just very concerned that there have been times when the sun upon me back way and I didn't know.
yes, the sun upon your back. You never feel it in your back yet. You never feel the sun upon in your back. And upon in your neck back.
No. The sun upon me in my back and in my neck back is the sun upon me, is a forward burning in my back. I've never heard about the sun upon your back way yet, and I'm a little bit worried now that there may have been times when let me talk. I'm a grown man, let me talk. I'm a little bit concerned now that there may have been times when the sun is doing things to my back way and I didn't know.
Listen, you see,
Who call you?
I'm not calling you at the TV, but who call me? Somebody call me, sir?
Me don't know me ear sound.
Who call me? At the TV, who call me?
Oh,
you're too fast.
I have another question though. Where are you right now? Because I don't hear your usual friends, you know.
You see the time hot. I mean, I'm house. Let's say time hot. The time is not cold. The time is hot.
Oh, wait, don't say no. I hear one of them. It's very faint, but if you listen, you hear him.
Mm-hmm.
Well, wait, stop. Yeah, it's very faint. One little one, but me hear him. Me hear him.
The time is hot. The time is
so when the time hot, them not come out?
No.
Oh, okay. Leading lady, you have a question. What is the question? Leading lady? Okay, all right. So me just want to make sure say you're okay, because, you know, there are times when people and friends abandon them and them get lonely and depressed and we don't know what is going on. So that is it.
Sit down and listen to you. They about listen to you and about I watch music video on the TV.
In your house?
In my house.
Like, as in, like you live somewhere?
Yeah, my house not big and pretty like here one and stay like the White House, but a female one. Nobody can get up in the early morning and have room and beat the bed for them for me get up. A female one. It's not done, but a female. Yeah, build it, a female.
I'm not so sure why your response is attacking me. I was just like ascertaining.
No, but you can say, you shake your hand like that me you live somewhere. You shake your hand like.
Yeah, I just wanted to confirm that you. No, so what is wrong with that? If me I confirm, say, well, but what is wrong with me confirming that you live somewhere?
Say them want me live somewhere.
Wait there. Wait, let me see something. Somebody in the chat, leading lady, she write, Raga, if a man spent 18 months in jail and he came out and gave his woman a STD, what should she do? Bombo, no. All right, hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on. I think the assumption is we need more details, you know? Because where you're going, if it was a case that they were involved before him go prison and she never catch no STD right up to before him get in prison, but when him come out, him get him have the STD, then there may be cause for concern. But be informed. There are some STDs you can have them and them not sure until long after. Particularly with men, believe it or not. There are some STDs man have them all long and them not sure. And weirdly enough, the man them don't know so them have it. I'll sleep with some woman and them not catch it, but just based upon the makeup of one particular woman, he will catch it. So this thing is more complicated than you know. Additionally, there's some STDs you can catch without engaging in any form of sex. So, yeah, remember you're talking to somebody now who's probably levels to this thing, and it's not just going to jump on the salacious interpretation of something, so. But, if in general though, if a man go prison and come out and as him come out and him have sex with him lady and she catch a STD from him right there, so it would be disingenuous of anybody to tell that woman to not be careful, and so, and what you say about that at times, Spicy? What you say about that?
That sounds very sticky. That sounds very sticky.
No, I mean, I think that's the word you want to use. I know what you say, but for God say sticky. Anyway, when you say it's sticky, though, I want the sticky. All right, we work with that. All right.
Before, go behind bars, and a half time come up from behind bars, you go find. You're going to say him go catch it and tell him.
Yeah, we break up again here.
No, I'm saying, you should never find out before.
Yeah, break up. We're not hear you.
You hearing me?
A little better, yeah.
I'm saying, if she never find out before I went to prison, and after you come back to prison to find out that you have it, she went to prison carry from there.
That's what I'm saying. That we can't assume say him never have it before him go prison. But if it's a case where they've been having regular sex up to when him go prison, right? And she never catch it, and then after him in a prison for 18 months and come on, no, she go catch it and thing. It is reasonable for a woman in that position to, at a minimum, to be concerned, about what the possibilities are that led to her contracting that STD. It's sensible for a woman who like say, yo, what go on here,
Right now my blood run cold because I'm thinking a lot of things. My blood run real cold.
Anyway, thank you for your input on your former chargy and your former ride or die and thing. Thank you for your opinion, but you were fair because you made a good point about her saying she never hear about the age and thing when we all did, and where she in general always remember things and whatever, but she conveniently forgetting things where might indict her when it comes to this thing with Zion Train and thing here.
You should cuss me out.
Eh?
You should cuss me out.
Yeah, no man, people get cussed off over here different and thing. And me get cussed or something. And thing. All right.
Me, I'm not speaking about anyone, I'm speaking about myself.
All
I
right.
don't know what a friend I'm saying to you. You know, here
Right. Somebody said they do medical every 2 months in prison in America. Oh, for real? I didn't know that. There's somebody asked, in America, do they test you before your release? I don't know them something. So, all right, Atta Spicy, big up yourself, you know.
Thank you.
All right, Bobo, cool. And say hello to your friends, okay?
Okay.
Hello to Mr. Amanda up in Canada. Big him up for me, yeah?
We'll call him later on.
Yeah. And hello to the people who did see you in the hotel lobby naked. Big them up. Today is supposed to be a shorter show because I start late and things. So today is supposed to be a shorter show, yeah? Because I have to go deal with something, right, you know, before a certain time. So I have to Lego early. Well, yeah, early. Raga, you have a date tonight? Yeah. A date with work. You know, there's some stuff I have to finish and send off before midnight. So I have to give myself time to finish it. Right? All right. Earlier I said, well, the BL is no BL is tonight. I'm peckish, you see. I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry right now, you know. Tal, Raga, the show I got shot like your body. And, you know, people think I'm me I broke on out, you know. People don't tell me the way say me I broke on out. And them, if they only know how someone to turn over here, and people think that the whole on a TamFam, only just innocent and whatever, and I'm me I broke on out. You know what time people stop me? Well, you over there I broke out the people them for, and Ray. If people ever know 23, like really know 23, I say, me, I broke out 23, them are that wicked. If people, Christina, I want to say that. If people ever really know Christina, I think I'm me, I broke out Christina. Right? Lanoy. If people ever really know Lanoy, I think I'm me, I broke out Lanoy. Sinner, yeah, Sinner. I think it's me, I broke out Sinner, and I know it's how that more Sinner broke me out. Not to mention Freaky Tal, right? Freaky Tal, a she bus upside down threesome over California. Tal, a she bus upside down threesome over California, right? Gymnastic threesome, you understand? If people ever know Sonia about me, bro, Caro, Sonia, we lose our virginity behind the Anglican church on top of one hill overseeing a beautiful picturesque bay. And when the body a pain eruption of a leg of the fence, she just lift up one foot and wind it out, see me right behind the church, behind God's house. Right? And me, when I think I broke out, she after me help for rehabilitate her, I fly go all the way a grenade, I go look back for her virginity and whatever and find it back and give her so she can reclaim back her little innocence and all them something there. If anything, I look out for her. Right? And people are blame me about me I broke on out and I know someone bad, whatever, right? If people ever know how someone sneaking, Shanae, if people ever know Shanae sneaking and thing, they will say, Ragana broke out Shanae broke out long time, Shanae just know for hold it down and make nobody know. Raga, I need to up on for at least one day for the Culturecation show. I need the itinerary to book. All right, we work out that. No worry yourself. So Shanae about me, see, then I said, General go on. You're in Jamaica during that week there, yeah. Unpredictable. First me I see you in all my years to rotting. There you go. Not much to look at, right? Right? Not much to look at. Smarty take Tal phone. They needed to take that phone long time. I wish you say I know. Body up in our tribe. Jesus Christ. You see what I'm telling you about? I'm gonna tell you me I broke on out. Somebody like that no body up in our tribe. know I brought me out. You understand? So all of the people out there who love to talk about me, bro. Me hold my heart, you know, me telling you, me unruly, you know, me love to talk about sex. And you'd never believe, so me believe that sex is so overrated. Right? You'd never believe that, though. But somebody like me who always talk about sex or whatever, oh, please, sex is whatever. But anyway, unpredictable. You seem decent, not like the voice on radio. I think you're comparing me to the Raga in the past. Yeah. God, so people may have to leave early tonight, yeah? We have to leave early tonight. We're going to have a longer show tomorrow, all right? But I have to leave early tonight, all right? I have to leave now because we really have some things to do that I have to finish. It has to be sent. Well, you can't really use postmark. No, it's not postmark. But it has to be time-stamped before 12 o'clock, before 12 midnight. So we need a little time to do it. Right? Millionaire Greenland, big up yourself, you know, love and blessings, boo, love and blessings. All right, cool. Munchie, anytime I come and stay long, you have to go early. Munchie, say the word boo and you know I'll stay for you. All right? You just got to ask and I'll stay for you. Munchie, boo, 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 boo. Big up yourself, you know, Munchie. You don't know it. People, and Munchie, when I come over TikTok, you know, well, I don't hear it all the way, you know. But people been a tell me and thing, but them will tell me and low it, you know. And a bother me, because, you know, people, they kind of respect my space. But Munchie, over the years, you know, just at the right time, you know, them woman that who know, like, this is a good time to say it. She would just, you know, like, in a calm, respectful, insistent way. She have a, Munchie's voice. She terrible, you know. No make she trace you, you know. If Munchie trace you, know, you shame. But her natural voice when she talk, it have a kind of jazzy hollowness. When we say jazz, you know, jazz have a culture, you know, and jazz people, in my opinion, they talk in a way that reflect the music. And so jazz people kind of talk with a wholesome voice that's kind of calm and relaxing. So Munchie have the voice there, you know. So Munchie will talk to him, you know, she will talk about something and it will sound something like this, like, no, but I went over that supermarket and it's okay. I got what I, you know, that kind of, to have a kind of a calm and resonance to it. So she have the voice there. So over the years, you know, Munchie at times, you know, she would be like, Raga, you know, you really need to try TikTok. No shouting, I don't know, you know, I'm not going, you really need to try TikTok, you know, it's really nice over there, you know. That's where the action is. And she kept doing it, I said, you need to go over TikTok. And one day, I literally say, one Munchie always at him to go over TikTok. I'm going to go try it, yeah, man. I literally said that. So the one Munchie always at him to go over TikTok. I'm going to go try it, and boom. And it's been fun. So, to the extent that we're having fun over here, on the show, everybody want to big up Munchie right now. And the whole I want to big up Munchie, all I want to turn up and say every evening, I say, boy, the show, thank God for that show, yeah. Ray. The whole I want to big up Munchie right now. I want to big up Munchie right now. All I want to who come here every evening and say, I want to like your show, I want to rock where you go and come back. And Munchie, the Munchie, the whole I want to big up Munchie right now. Big up Munchie right now. I'll give her too. Right? Yeah. No, seriously, man. I'm Munchie, man. I come over, I literally said that. Right as I'm saying, man. You know, the one Munchie at that time, I said, if I go over TikTok and whatnot, I'm going to go try it, yeah, man. And I saw, I'm going to try it, and the rest is history and things over TikTok. Because some of them don't know, you know. Them time we did over YouTube, I keep it sure, but we were very small in numbers over there. And we did stop, you know, for YouTube for a while and thing and that. And a munchie make me come over here. And I'm enjoying it now too, because it's so much fun. All right. All right. Sonia said she will give munchie when she go munchie. Karen said, oh, one munchie on the app, big up yourself. Oh, you mean, big up munchie, yes. All right. Anyway, people, may I go leave I know. I'm hungry. I'm gonna say something. I wanna watch what people like Lanoy and Tal post, right? I'm telling them, I'm gonna say something. But after I say what I say, I wanna watch what people like Lanoy, Tal, K, let me say who else? Tall Her, you see Tall Her, $1 Million. I wanna watch what them people they post, right? Watch what them post, you know. The usual suspect. So, the show I go done now. I'm going to eat some fish. Yeah, I have fish for eat. But, see that it's just a laugh. Man said good as I'm left out she, right? Ocean, uncooked fish, no. Beer. Oh, tomorrow the labor writing. Yeah, you know, so me forget to me. Oh Lord, I couldn't remind me because I'm so busy, you know, people, man. I'm working at the days them and thing and I have the kids them and thing, you know. It's big fish. And yes, it's snapper. You know, Jamaicans, we're obsessed with snapper. Oh, by the way, you know, say you have Jamaicans who don't like snapper. Like, isn't that unheard of? How can you be Jamaican and you don't like snapper? Yeah, I've met Jamaicans who be like, no, I can't eat it, but don't like it. And I'm like, you don't like snapper? You're Jamaican? And they're like, no, never liked it. And them like other, you know, them eat other fish. Like up here, people are into a fish named porgy or porgy. And parrot. People are really into, a lot of Jamaicans up here, they're way more into parrotfish than snapper, you know. Now, in Jamaica, you have people into parrotfish from Jamaica, but snapper rule at Jamaica. But you have enough people love parrotfish at Jamaica, for true. Wait, master good as a cause it cheap. Well, that's why them like the porgy. I want cheap fish. I thought it was because of the taste. It's the port. Oh, that's why them love the porgy. I didn't know that. Look at Ellie. People, when they say Ellie hype, I eat salmon and sea bass. I don't like shellfish too much either. Yeah, salmon and sea bass and thing, whatever. That's what Ellie go on, you know. Yeah, she go on and feel more better have than everybody else mouth. Yeah, I'm looking for it. You know? West Boogie snapper have too much bone. Yeah, at the foreigner them, hey, people don't notice a foreigner don't know how to eat fish with bone in it. Yeah. White people up here don't know how to eat fish with bone in it, you know. They're not good at it. I be a fillet them, you know, them really work with bone, you know. And they get bugged out with fish head. See the Tal post, just as me say. White people up here, they get bugged out with fish head. Like it like bugged them out. And some of them, it was the strangest thing when we come up here and they're on some white people. And there's this place in Connecticut called Glastonbury. And there are parts of Glastonbury that is for people who, you know, socioeconomically, they're up there. So we were at this place and thing and whatever, and you know, they had like a little farm and they have these cute little animals and the kids were playing with them and things like that. I mean, I know how the conversation come up and thing, but something to do with goat, but something to do with goat and whatever, but it's like a normal conversation and thing, you know. But again, you know, this is a upper middle class, we have money, not ridiculously rich, but, you know, proper money. type of thing, Connecticut, the suburbs of Connecticut, the people to read relevant. And and by the way, they have cow farm, pam place over there, but you ain't never seen a goat. Right? And there are lots of places in America like that. You will see cow all about, but you will never see a goat. Pam farm, There's quite a few area places in America still, so, cause them, America, them love beef, So you will see cow, you will see cow, but you there all in some rural area and a beer cow, yes, everywhere you pass, because you're not one goat, you see. Them not even sheep so much, right? So them a talk about goat and whatever. I mean, they know all the conversation, whatever, and things like that. And I'm going to say, yeah, goat, they're Jamaican thing. And, a lot of people, they rear goat, to eat them and thing and whatever. And I look at silence going on in group, And then somebody go say, these are people who are ram to eat steak and them something there, But somebody go say, what, you kill the goats and you eat them? And I was like, yeah. People, somebody look at them start bad. Somebody look at them start bad. Like time not too long come foreign, when them time there, And that's something I understand, say, for a lot of them view goat the same way them view them dog. Yeah, you have, white folks who view goat. Them eat meat, But then we say some animal meat not to eat, right? And and for some of them goat in the same realm as dog, Oh shit, I'm in Curacao and I made fish for my stepfather and he was like, no, I don't want to cabis, fish head. Oh yeah, no funny, yeah. Them can't manage fish head. And can't manage fish head. Empress smiling. No, they're pets. Yeah, goats are pets to a bunch of people here. Yeah. Munchie says she love fish head. For you who are not Jamaican, they're from the Caribbean. We have something called fish tea that is not tea, it's a soup, right? But we call it fish tea, right? And it's made with fish. But very often, and it has a lot of respect in Jamaica, by the way. And very often when we make fish tea, it's with fish head. So a lot of people, when they make fish tea, got the fish head them use. And then for whatever reason, Jamaicans believe, a lot of traditional Jamaicans believe that fish head make you smarter. They mean like you get bright if you eat a lot of fish head. Don't waste the fish head, eat the fish head and you will get bright type of thing. So when I got older, I was just like, I realized that it was an old wives' tale, that one of those superstitious things, perhaps concocted to get kids to eat the fish head or so on. Because when you're from, a background where the economics are not as generous and liberal as is the case with others, you learn to value even the smallest morsel of things, right? And don't waste. That's why, for example, in our culture, where we seize the things down to the bone, people in them family and we see somebody else a dash for bone and be like, wait, we are dash for the bone for? And they're like, no, give me the bone. And they will take the bone and char it up because, don't waste it. There's stuff in the bone. That is a very Jamaican thing to do. But when I got older now, like older, and then start mix around certain people, a bunch of researchers, interestingly from the Northeast, they were Harvard educated, and they were like, actually, there is some truth to it. That fish head make you smart. And I was like, what? I forgot what them said. Them I say, a lot of fish have this thing in it where supposedly, where them say, no, it's good for your brain for true. It promotes brain health. So there you have it. We grew up with something and it sounds silly and whatever and things like that, but apparently there is some scientific basis to it that fish head is I forgot what them name, some chemical or something. And they were like, no, there's some truth to it. There's some truth with what your mother was telling you and what they believe or whatever and things like that. So as you live, you learn. Oh shit, here when you go to a restaurant, they don't want the bones from oxtail to cowfoot. Yeah, you don't tell that to Jamaicans because some Jamaicans, them know one bone, but most Jamaican, y'all behave now. Behave. But for a lot of Jamaicans, they love to eat meat where them can just suck it off of the bone. Like that's a thing, to be able, it's like a fun thing for do for like oxtail. You have Jamaicans who love to just suck it off of the bone, and after them suck it off the meat off of the bone, assuming it's cooked the right way, not like how Hershey pie cook it and the meat hard for come off. When oxtail cook, the meat for easy for come off. And then now I think when you eat oxtail now, once the meat come off, if you suck the bone, right? If you suck the bone, some people do that with cowfoot too. Shanae Marie, like Big Beer own. Shanae, could you be, when you're saying those things, you need to be a little bit more specific here. I know what you mean, but you can't just say like Big Beer own. When we say you need to suck off the bone and then you say like Big Beer own. Say like the one where Big Beer cook. So you say that, yeah. You can't. Yeah, you gotta be careful, man. Yeah. Word choice is pretty important here. Yep. Okay, finally, before I go. Oh, by the way, I'm a serial entrepreneur. If you don't know yet, you don't know now, right? So, for those of you with businesses and you want to grow your business, all right, I have a new thing coming on stream, and you should check it out. It's just about finished, I think. Hold on, let me see it. It's just about promotion, event promotion, and business marketing. Let me see. It's a separate thing from. Oh, it's there. Someone can check it out. Okay, you can go to ragalink.com, right? Let me see. All right, cool. It's there. Let's see that. Well, I'm telling you that I'm busy. Okay, I am busy. All right. Yeah, you can check it out. Okay. So oh, need to fix this. Okay. All right. So for those of you who you have your business, your small business, or you have your events and you want your events promoted, or you want to grow your business, you could check out one of my companies. And this one is called Ragalink, and it's about marketing and promotion. Right? Marketing and promotion. So you can check it out. and there's a lot going on there, right? So we're talking about cutting edge technologies for promotion and marketing. And you can look, it's there. It's there for you to see and match out and things like that. So y'all will be hearing more about that because I'll be focusing on that and that in conjunction with TamFam Big Yard, of course, which I've centered into my online community enterprise, where it's a community doing what we do as a community, but at the same time having a monetized component to it that I've focused in the TamFam Big Yard Theater, that if you go over there, it looks very different now, okay? All right. So, but you'll be hearing more of that. But again, if you Ellie, all the time you talk about food, me never hear you say you go bed before bed. People, you see the liberty? People, you see the liberty? Right? That is the type of liberty you get after decades of knowing somebody and thing, you know? And after them come your show, you know. The first time I perform in England, you know, Ellie live in London, you know, and Birmingham is like 2 hours away. And the first time I performed, somebody did bring me over there. Just Ellie was a part, it was a dance, no? It was a dance. But Ellie, I listened a long time before that, you know, but we never meet, you know. And we used to call her Ellie Mac, right? Because that's her name back where Camille. And then and goods come all the way from London come just to say me I support Raga, you know. Ellie, what year was that? What year was that? Like the first time somebody IMFAM work at England. And it was up in Birmingham. Ellie, what year was that? Ellie now respond. Long time, about 2010. 2010. No, man, Ellie, it was before 2010, man. No, Ellie, it was long before 2010. You know why? Well, you know, I'm not good with dates. But why? Let me tell you why I think it was before 2010. Tambourine Radio started in 2010, you know. And if I'm not, if me not remember clearly, I think this was long. When me did that, when me that time the Ellie, me never did start. Tambourine Radio never start yet. No, man, Ellie, before 2010, man. Because me not think Tambourine Radio did start yet. And a 2010, me left Nationwide and start Tambourine Radio. And I think this was before Tambourine Radio. If I'm not, I could be wrong, I don't know. Yeah, I think of before, man. I think of before. I did have one friend that were round up and sexy too and full of shape and thing, you know. Yeah, me done pre-her, you know, but me never really moved to her. You see what I say, Ellie, cause me never have time for map her road first, you know. Cause you know when I run in down, we have to see what is what first, though. A friend where they come. So a long time Ellie has support me, you know. You understand? And then when me keep my first party, you know, my first dance party at Jamaica, one club named Scandal. I must say Scandal or something like so. Yeah, man, Ellie, they did the same way, you know. Big up Ecstasy Queen, you know. John would have be the boy. Ecstasy Queen, big up yourself, you know. Ecstasy Queen come in one black dress with TamFam design all over it, you know, and thing or whatever. And Ellie did it in our floral, one nice flowers up skirt with so. Cause Ellie know for dress, you know. Right? Ellie know for dress. She can't cook. Can't cook. Don't make Ellie cook anything, girl. Oh God, please. If you value your health and your life, right? If you value like having a good outlook on humanity, right? If you value, you know, what you have within you, which is to look on things in the pot, you know, the glass is always half full and whatever. If you value all of that, don't make Ellie cook no food for you. Me bad, don't make Ellie cook no food, but she can't dress. She know if you put on clothes good, you know? Right? So she's one of them look good Baffan woman there, you know? Yeah, Baffan look good Baffan woman and thing and whatever. So, you know, so she when Ellie clean, she clean to her step, you know? All right? Ellie said, my son surviving, you're cooking. Ellie, when you're born in a something, you don't know different, Ellie. If picnic banana all they give them a grass is tasty because the mind has been conditioned to the grass. All right? So your picnic don't know different. When your picnic start eat other food, no and thing, I saw him at the picnic, I'm gonna know like, damn, mommy's cooking is doo-doo, it's awful, right? That's what's going on about my son surviving. Like, people think about it now. If you tell a woman, say, go you can't cook for save your life, or you can't cook whatever, whatever, boom, boom, boom. You tell her that, you know. And her response is, my son is surviving, you know, in defense. And our son, a 1 year old or 2 year old, or somewhere around there, so him there. What that say? Right? What that say? Right? If your defense is, yeah, but my son will eat the food though. What that say, people? And the son is like 1, 2 year old. What that say? If you tell a woman, say, go, you can't cook at all. You know, not cook and whatever. And this is a woman who 4 years old, almost 5. All right. And this is a woman who, probably don't know no country where Ellie never go. Love travel, yeah. I pick the make she calm down here now. Right? Every minute, Ellie coming like Milo. Ellie probably go every country in our world, right? Love travel. All both, right? But probably if Moody be surprised if she did go down to Antarctica too. And whatever. Right? But if you tell somebody, say a woman, say you can't cook, you're not good cook at all, whatever. And she does say something like, oh, my man like it, my baby father like it, my family never complain yet, or whatever, or blah, blah. She does say, but she said, yeah, but my 4-year-old him eat the food though. What is she saying right this? She not confirm. Can't cook. Ellie can't cook. Ellie can't cook. Ellie can't cook. Ellie can't cook. I probably can't cook better than Ellie. Right? I probably can't cook better than Carly says she can't cook just like Reggae. I'll me better than her. I can't cook better than Ellie. And me can't cook. Me can't cook and me can't cook better than Ellie. Right? If I something simple or whatever, mine when I go taste better. If you get Ellie a tin of mackerel and give me a tin of mackerel and say, it's 2 hours to prepare it. However I don't want to prepare it. My mackerel I go taste better than firewood. May I tell you that? Yeah. She had the L. My mackerel I go taste better than firewood. Now don't ask me for cook cow foot or stupid. I can't cook them something there. But I admit it. But I can't, you know. Yeah, man, I know a little Jamaican something, you know. Put look at oil in a fire and thing and in a pot and, you know, drop in like a garlic in there and whatever and throw a little tin mackerel in there and put some onion and what. I mean, when them look at something there, you know. Not even them something the hell you don't know. She talk about I cook healthy food. Anytime you hear the woman them chat about them cook healthy food and thing, them can't cook. Right? Anytime them phrase that way, they say them cook healthy food in a kind of defensive way, them can't cook, which is different from some vegan people cook, you know. You lick your 10 finger them, you know. Listen to me. You have some vegan people prepare some sitting, you see? No meat. Nothing with for them thing is like no bones, no blood, right? And for them tired that no bones, no blood. So not even fish. You have some vegan people when them cook or whatever. Me say me have one Rasta friend, Isa. Me mama, when Isa cook, me don't know what. You know that Jamaican something they say some people and just cook food good. You know, Jamaicans have that thing. Right? So some vegan people bad like that. But anytime you hear a woman say, I cook healthy food or whatever, them can't cook. Them will give you some sitting there with quinoa and some sitting there whatever. Like, it don't taste good. It tastes good to them, but then we prepare some sitting and say, this is healthy food, and it don't taste good. Because them still can't cook. Right? Yeah. You see, watch out. Quinoa is my favorite. Trust me, I've been there. I've dated women who said that. Oh, I cook healthy food or whatever. And then cook some sitting, whatever. Somebody else cook it and it tastes good. Right? Them love chickpeas, them love quinoa, them love them something. But when them cooking it tastes good, because they can't cook. Then another vegan person now. You have some Jamaican vegans, you know, when them cook vegan thing, you know, when them cook vegan food, you know, right? It just tastes good. Me go to a vegan restaurant over Portmore, you know, one plaza. Me don't know who them have around there cooking, you know. Straight vegan, you know. If food tastes goody. You did have one Rasta woman. All of the old school Rasta people, them know her, but me don't remember. I must say Minnie, she name her so. But she did have one vegan restaurant on Hope Road, and then she did bring the restaurant over Hope Garden, actually over Hope Garden. Who know about that? Who remember the vegan restaurant? I think they call her Minnie. Minnie, but I'm guessing. But like real prominent Rasta people, them know her. Probably she did that's a well-known Rasta or celebrity or something. But she's very quinoa. I mean, it's a quinoa. Quinoa. What is quinoa? Okay, quinoa. But Nikki, you know, yo, that restaurant, man, them time they may lecture you, you know. And sometimes me want just, you know, I mean, I go over that restaurant, straight vegan, you know, but cook with seasoning and, you know, natural seasoning and whatever. I mean, I don't know what them doing, but it tastes good. Tastes good. Oh, Christine, Kalia. There was a vegan restaurant named Jesse Ripple, them ice cream, nice. Vegan restaurant in Jamaica, them expensive, is it? So I go, anyway. All right, me I let go here now, people, and thing. All right, me I go do some work. Me have some things to do. You see, if I want me say me I leave for go finish the sitting, but me have to send off before 12 o'clock. All right, tonight. All right, people, blessings and respect, man. Take care of yourself, all right? Love and honor. All right, Tal. Big up yourself, cool. YouTube family, large up, cool. Facebook, big up. Attitude, big up. Too sexy for you all, big up. All right. Remember tomorrow, Labor Right Day. You call in and you talk about labor right. Whether you want to talk good or bad, but you can't talk about comrade. Thursday, a PNP Day. All right. Me have green for you tomorrow. I don't know. I have green for you. Raga, remember for wash your foot. Hey. Kelly, you not come tomorrow. Well, because tomorrow Labor Right Day, that's why you not come. Hey, Kelly, again? Hey, is it that serious? Hey? Remember, you say what you want, say whether good or bad, you just start. Well, at the truth, you're right, you know, but don't say what me have to say, you know, me have something to do and whatever, right? but show I done too early and I start too late or whatever. You know, much time I could have don't even turn on. I say, you know, I have to turn up, you know, show up. I'm telling about that something there, show up. Yeah, telling me, Shanae, don't bother Praga. Oh. You come and talk about them pepper spray Desmond. Yeah, we talk about, I don't know if it did at the beginning of the show, but we talk about it. Pepper spray Desmond. Uncle Desi. All right, people, movement channel here. Nightmare school. Cha-cha, what you say, Canada hot? Jimmy Q, big up. Neil, General. But there, you know. Neil, if you know if anybody know, you know, in an event promotion or business promotion, send them to my website because you're a man in the know, you know, Neil. You know people who small businesses like, you know, hairdressing and them something there, barber shop, restaurants. I want to make this thing for one, all right? And we can get on a brand out there and increase on a market share on a customer, on the customers, right? And we can design on a marketing campaign to customize it to our respective businesses, okay? Yeah, ragalink.com, right? So if you're keeping an event and you want it promoted and thing, over there, say if you have a business and you want it to be marketed essentially hands-free, you just, you know, fill out our intake and then we will design it for you, the marketing plan, and then give it a link, all right? Just check it, ragalink.com. Yeah, I finish it for finish. You know, there's some stuff still to do on it and things, so I'm going to finish up that too. All made by me. Everything when you see over there, me make it. Ragalink.com. All of the new something they want to see over Big Yard, particularly over the theater and everything there. I mean, do everything. I'm having so much fun, right? But it's business, and we take it serious, no? So we want to build this thing and grow this thing and put it out there, all right? All right, I'm Morris, people. Love and blessings, man. Cool.